Hi, I'm Hope, and here we are captivating a godly home inside and out through Christ Jesus. I hope you enjoy the channel. Welcome, and I hope you have a blessed day. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I didn't record much, y'all, but they had the Lego and the puzzle advent calendars. They had candle calendars and a cheese, and let's see what else they had. A hot sauce calendar, a coffee calendar. So I did get 3 of those. And for my aunt, myself, and my mom. And let's see what else. They had dog calendars. I don't know why they didn't have cat calendars, y'all. That would have been cute. My mama would have got that. And then they had Star Wars Legos and Friends, like 2 different ones of those. But my apologies, y'all, for not recording. I was rushing to get to class, and then I went back in there after class, and I was talking to mom on the phone. But just go to Aldi and check out what they have, y'all, because they're gonna get gone, and I look forward to these every single year. This is a slime one, so thanks for watching, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful today. So I went to Aldi, and I'm gonna show y'all just a little bit of stuff that I got today. Didn't need too much. I got class in a little bit, so let's get started. I hope you all are doing great. What I want to say. So the advent calendars are out this week. I'm gonna try to get this video up really quick. If you are not familiar with them, because they get gone quick, but they still had them at my store. And something else. Advent calendars. Oh, I saw an article, and then also one of the friends here on the channel, Vernell, mentioned that Aldi is going to lower their prices for Thanksgiving, some items. I heard Walmart is too, but I saw an article. I think somebody posted in like a Aldi Facebook group. So you may want to stay tuned. Not necessarily my channel, but keep your ear to the floor about that, so you can get like your staples and stuff for the holiday. So anyway, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, I went overboard with the advent calendars this year. Usually I go in there and I like to get them for Saya. So I try to go in there as soon as they open. But today, I think because we have another, my mom pointed out, because they have another one close by, that might be why, you know, people's not fighting over them like they do in previous years. So look at their flyer, y'all. They have all different types. They have hot sauce. They have a candle one, which I thought was a great idea, but I got enough candles, y'all. You can also gift them to other people. So this one I picked up for Saya. He already knows about it. It's the Lego Marvel calendar. I may hide it though, because he's upstairs unless he comes down here, because it's a teacher work day. I got him this one, and they also have Lego Friends. They don't have a whole lot of different interesting ones for boys this year. I noticed the last couple of years, so these are probably some of the things, or the things that you will get in it. So seem like the Lego or the character ones, the licensed ones, cost more than the rest of them. So anyway, got that for him. Again, they seem like they had, I want to say Coco Melon, they had Paw Patrol. Years before they had Cars, but it's repetitive. Like from the years before, they had Hot Wheels, and then they had, trying to think what else, but you probably can go on Amazon and check to see what they have too, y'all. Okay, so I did get this puzzle advent calendar, something that Jason and, well, all of us can do together, but Jason and Josiah likes to put together puzzles, and then they'll like glue them to a poster board. So I got this one. It's a puzzle, I guess, is it 12 days? Yeah, I don't like to look at the back, y'all, but if y'all want to see what the back is. So mini puzzle they can put together for 12 days. And I can't remember how much this one was, y'all. I want to say $9.99. I could be wrong. I did get this one for Saya, slime one. And the only reason why is because he kind of had Legos before, but not the Marvel. They also have Harry Potter and Star Wars, but he didn't want, I won't get him the Harry Potter one. The Star Wars, he didn't want that. And I'm really surprised he's not into Star Wars, y'all, because y'all know he like outer space stuff. So anyway, I got him this one, and this is for Yeah, up to 25 days. Slime, so let's see. This one was $16.99. It don't show you everything in this one. So hopefully this will not mess up nothing I have. I wanted to get the cheese one. Shouldn't get the cheese one because I'm trying. Anyway, y'all tired of me talking about that. But anyway, I wanted to try this for like 2 years. They have it back there in the cold section. It wasn't quite with the cheeses. It was like with the butters. So it just depends on your store, I guess. So you get 24 of these. And yeah, they just tell you which different ones in here. So I'll scan it. And then if you want to pause it and look at it. Okay, y'all. Then I did get the chocolate. They have like $1.99, a cheap one. I want not cheap like that, but y'all know what I'm saying. And I was thinking if I should get that. I think years in the past, I did get one of those. I think they had like 2 different or 3 different chocolate ones. But I did get this one here. And those are some of the chocolates. And then I got a coffee one. So I got a coffee one last year from Mama, and then she ended up giving it to my aunt. So this year she was like, Hope, if you go in there, check to see if there's a limit, and I'll cash app you get 2 of them. So now, y'all, I'm a coffee drinker, so I was hoping that it was not a limit, or I was gonna have to go in there different times, like before class and after class. And I wanted the coffee one to try. So I hope it's good, because I'm not a coffee snob, but I love that E2M coffee. They get their coffee through the Charleston exchanges in South Carolina, and their coffee is good. So these are the different flavors, if you want to pause it. And this one was $13.99. I think it was cheaper last year. So I did get a cable throw, and it has some really pretty colors. I went with the red. They had like this sage green, kind of like a little bit lighter than this, or more mute, but it was a really pretty color. And they're only, I want to say $12.99, y'all. Not bad at all. Okay, so then I did get the baster injector, and I needed a new one. So let's see, y'all. I don't like, I had to make sure I got a cutting board. I need to take this film off because I can't, I have to make sure, of course I use a cutting board, but I wanted to make sure I had something to prep. Because I've been using this little orange one. When I use the wood ones, y'all, it's just, I think I'm gonna get rid of the ones that I have. I want more of a rounded one with the handle. And it's just a headache for me of cleaning them. So I only want like 1 or 2. I think I have 3 right now. And I'm gonna declutter. Okay, y'all, so where's my baster? So I have a cheap one. I wanna say this one is from Dollar Tree. And you see how it looks cloudy? And I cleaned this thing, I don't know how many times. So I definitely need a new one. And I like that it has a brush in it. And it has the injector as well. This was only $4.99. They had a potato masher that you can flip. I couldn't record y'all in there because I was talking to Mom on speakerphone today, so my apologies. I did get some salmon. I got some Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna make this today. I do have some in the freezer, but I just forgot to take it out for class. And then I got some zucchini. I got some split chicken breast, and this wasn't bad. Let's see how much this is per pound, because 1 pack was like $6.41, and then one was $5.16. Not bad. How much is it per pound? $1.89 a pound. So I like to put these in my air fryer, my oven, season it really well, and then halfway through I'll cut them in the middle, something like that. And then anyway, this is my salad. I'm getting ready to eat right quick. Oh, something else. Oh, so I did want y'all the bedspread, like they had the fall one for $39.99. I made sure I made my bed, y'all, because sometimes Jason works a different shift and I'm not able to make the bed all the time. But I like how these bedspreads, they make the room really festive, or get you into the mood of the holiday season. So I'm like, well, let me make my bed today, because it's almost time to put this bed up today. Not this bed, but this comforter set on. And yeah, let me make my bed today. because it's almost time to take that off. So I went with this one. I like the other one with the Christmas trees with the gray. I really like that one. But I like this one because it seems like it's more flexible because it has the stripes, the green and the red, and I can mix match the pillows and different things. And it's more Christmassy. So you get a comforter, 2 shams, a coverlet, and 2 quilted shams. And it's just like the one that they had at fall time, and it's $39.99. That's a great deal. They did have flannel sheets and stuff, but I didn't want that, y'all. I like my bed to be cold. And that's it, y'all. That's it for today. I think that's everything that I wanted. I'm trying to see what else to update y'all. I did get a new Christmas tree, y'all. I like that Christmas tree. And I put it up yesterday because it just came, and I was like, it was in like 3 or 4 different pieces. My old Christmas tree was not as tall. Let's look, it was fatter, not as tall, but of course it wasn't flocked. And then you had to put each limb in it, and that was just so, I mean, each one, and it's labeled by letters and numbers. And I was like, you know, and I said every year I wanted a new one, so I finally got a new one. So that's it, y'all. That's it. I did do my countertops, y'all. They look good. I'll see if I can. I made a reel or a short. I haven't put it on YouTube of how I did it, but I'll see if I can make a long form content video if I got enough footage. I don't know if I have enough footage on my cabinets, and I knew that that's something that I could just that was my shoe, y'all. Something that I can content but it just took so long to do these, and I didn't feel like necessarily recording. I can see if I can piece something together or show y'all what type of paint I use, but I like it. I do have a couple of touch-ups to do, and then replace this blind. I want to put a bamboo shade up here. Yeah, I haven't ordered that yet. But yeah, and then Lowe's, whenever they get the supplies, they're gonna come do the backsplash. So I'm so excited. It looks like a different kitchen. The floor, we do need new flooring. Y'all, I cleaned out this whole dining room. Now I got to clean it out again. I gave Trell a lot of new stuff. Oh yeah, y'all, I got some stuff to tell y'all. So I gave Trell a lot of my pots and stuff that was in there. I totally forgot because I was gonna give it. Of course, you want to help other people too. But Trell's gonna, he said he only had 1 pot, y'all. I had no idea. So I was like, what? He got 1 pot. So I was like, so Jason reminded me, oh, Trell may need it instead of, you know, quickly giving it away. Because I got like an entryway full of stuff that I need to get rid of. And I was supposed to have a yard sale. They just want me to have a yard sale. But I ain't got time for that. And he got to work. I ain't about to pull all this stuff. Anyway, y'all. So I gotta clean all this out because Thanksgiving coming. Are y'all cooking dinner? Y'all let me know what y'all cooking. Sorry if I'm looking the wrong way. But the floor is not gonna be done no time, I don't think. Let me not say that because you never know. Yeah, it may throw it off a little bit, but it'll be okay. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do because I know it'd be more cohesive to get rid of my hardwood floors, which they are engineered hardwood. They are not traditional hardwood, but they cost a lot of money. But it is in this corner back here is messed up in a spot. They are scratched, but you know, you can do something about it. But I have 3 different types of flooring downstairs, and I at least only want to have 2. So I had to figure that out, what I want to do. And this is not gonna be done in no time. This is bothering me, but not really, because not until I was painting. And I know in this breakfast nook area over here, it's a lot of cuts, little small cuts. It's big cuts over here. I think that was when they put it down, and then it's just wear and tear over time. But over here is from probably dropping things, and our house is on a concrete slab. So it's like little small slits, and it looks like it's something on the floor or a spot on the floor if I zoom in, and it's actually a cut. So it's probably from stuff breaking and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, it's not, let me show you. Yeah, see, like right there, there's just like little tiny cuts. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, y'all, and then let me tell y'all, so if you're looking for some big calf boots, y'all, I ain't really wore, let me show you, and then I'll put the camera up. I'm unzipping them because I'm getting ready to take them off. But I made myself wear them to class because you know how. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying because I wasn't recording. But anyway, oh, was it about my boots? I hope. So these some wide calf boots, and you can get them from DSW. And one of the soccer moms, the coach's wife, I told her I liked her boots, and she said, "Oh, it's hard for me to find wide calf boots." So I'll put it down below so you can find them, y'all. They have brown, dark brown, another different type of brown, and then they have black. And I had to make myself wear them because sometimes you just not want to be doing. You just want to go. You just want to get whatever you got to done that day. Get done that day. You don't feel like doing all the most. So I thought I'd tell y'all about those because it took me a while. I don't think I really ever wore boots like that. Because you'll hear people say they get excited for boots and their coats and stuff like that. And I'm like, I never really did because I couldn't find no boots that fit. But anyway, y'all, let me go. I really enjoyed, what was I saying, and I wasn't recording, was Josiah's soccer team. They had I really enjoyed the coaches. I enjoyed the parents, the kids. They were so well-mannered. And, yeah, I really enjoyed that team. I hate to see them go. But also, y'all, let me flash up. Trell got him a new car, and I'm so proud of him because he did it on his own, y'all. This is his second car. So he paid off the other one. Yeah, he did good. He didn't take Jason us with him, and of course it's mommy mode, daddy mode. We are quick to say, well, why you? Because even when my mom go get a car, or my brother, everybody go together. So I think he probably was afraid that we was going to say something. Though we knew because anytime he keep mentioning something, we know he gonna do it. So it was fine, but it's a beautiful car, and I'm proud of him. Prayers. Lots of prayers. I done say about 6 prayers to cover them all the way around the spectrum. And I'm proud of me and my baby. I was thinking about, because first you go into mommy mode and you think of all the things like car insurance and safety and stuff like that. And then you think about, and then after he left, and I was thinking, and I was like, he did it on his own. He did it on his own. He didn't need nobody co-sign. And I'm proud of him at 24. At 24, I was struggling trying to get a car. And he can do it. He's young. He can work. And he ain't had no kids right now. So he can do it. But, and he knows the things that we taught him. So let me go, y'all. Something else I was going to say about him. Yeah, and he deserves it. He deserves it. I was how me and my baby had walked places there, and we didn't have a car. We rode in the heat, and yeah. I don't really tell y'all the ins and outs when I was a teenage mom, but when people thought we weren't deserving to even pay us child support, but God has his way, beautiful ashes of blessing you and giving you back when you struggle through something, giving you back restoration. So I'm proud of them. All right, y'all. Y'all go find these calendars, give them to somebody, and because they're really good prices. I did see where Walmart had these Marvel calendars too. In the toy section, the Lego ones. So, all right, y'all, same price though.